really fast.
Yeah. Just a couple flights of stairs. So I heard you were having an issue with your bidet?
I know, right? I mean,
Yeah.
just moved in. What a weird thing to have happen. Where are your tools?
I'm actually the night manager. I'm here to assess the problem before we get a mechanic out here and order parts and so on and so forth. So
That works. That's perfect. Right this way. It's right there to the left.
Oh, okay.
Right in there.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
It just wasn't working right. I know something's broken.
It's not plugged in.
Oh, that's kind of embarrassing.
It's okay. It's okay. The plug is kind of tucked back here, so
Okay.
I can totally understand.
So, do you work every night?
Most nights I work about 5 to 6 nights a week.
Does that make your girlfriend sad?
I'm actually single.
Oh, really?
It's a nicely sized rock there.
Yeah, thanks. It is nice, but you know, my husband travels a lot, so, you know, silly things like that, I don't know.
The lamp over here? Or the lights over here?
Yeah, I was told they have all these like fancy options and you can dim them and things, but that's what I got. I can't get them to match up.
Okay. Let me take a look.
Great, thank you.
Uh-huh.